Good morning, students. Today now we will see question number 4. Expand. First bit x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Right? X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. You have to use identity. Which identity? Right? X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. For this sum, you have to use the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay? Then what will come here? Okay, is equal to x square means here it is x square plus y square. But what is y? Y is here 2y whole square plus z square. What is z here? 4z whole square. This is x, middle term is y, and this is z. Right? Plus 2xy means 2 into x into y. 2 into x is x only into y is 2y plus 2yz means 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2zx means 2 into z is what? 4z into x is equal to x square plus what is square of 2y? 4y square plus what is square of 4z? 16z whole square plus, we'll multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 4 into xy, 4 xy plus, we'll multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 into yz, right? Plus the last part, 2 4s are 8. 8 into zx, 8 zx. We have to use the identity, okay? And after placing these values in the identity, calculation should be correct. You will get the correct answer. So the expansion of x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. We'll go on the second sum now. What is the second sum? 2x minus y plus z whole square. Right? Solution. You have to use the same identity. Right? 2x minus y plus z whole square. What identity will use here? Right? X square plus y square. What is y square? Minus y whole square plus z square. Plus 2xy, 2 into x is what? X is 2x into y is minus y, right? Plus 2yz means 2 into y is minus y into z is z only, plus 2zx, 2 into what is z? Z only into x is 2x. I have written here, okay, the direct values. You have to use the identity. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So here in this equation, 2x is x and this is y and this is z. Right? So what is square of 2x? 4x square. What is square of minus y? Plus y square plus z square. Multiply this. 2 into 2, 4. But this is minus. So minus 4 xy. 2 into minus y, minus. So 2 into y into z is 2yz. Plus 2 2s are 4. 4 into zx, 4xz. Third bit, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Solution, right? Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Write the identity, okay? X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the identity, okay? Here, what is x? Minus 2x. What is this? 3y, y. And what is 2z? Z. Okay? This full part minus 2x is x. Here, 3y is y and plus 2z is z. So I will write here. X square means what? Minus 2x whole square plus y square means what? 3y whole square plus z square means what? 2z whole square plus 2xy means 2 into x into y. 2 into what is x? Minus 2x into y. What is y? 3y, right? Plus 2yz. 2 into what is y? 3y into z. What is z? 2z plus 2zx. 2 into what is z? 2z into x. X is what? Minus 2x, right? Now, what is square of minus 2x? 4x square plus square of 3y is 9y square plus square of 2z is 4z square. Now we will take this part. 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. But what is this sign? Minus. Plus into minus is minus. So 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12 xy. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 yz. Plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 zx. Right? So you have to be very careful, okay, with the signs. If your sign is wrong, then okay, your every step, okay, will be wrong. So you have to be very careful with your signs. Now we'll go on fourth sum. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, right, is equal to, I'll write the sum again, 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Again you have to use the identity, x plus y plus z whole square. This is x, this is y and this is z. Okay, so what is the identity? X square means 3a whole square plus y square. Y square is what here? Minus 7b whole square, because y is the second part, plus z square means minus c square plus what? 2xy. 2 into x is what? 3a into y is what? Minus 7b plus 2yz. 2 into what is y? Minus 7b into z is minus c plus 2zx. 2 into what is z? Minus c into x. X is 3a. Have you understood what I have done? I have written, okay, I am using the identity. Here x is 3a, y is minus 7b and z is minus c. So in every sum, okay, x, y and z will be different. It will not be same. And all the terms will not be positive. Sometimes they will be positive. Sometimes all will be negative. Sometimes, okay, 2 will be positive, the third one will be negative, or 2 will be negative, the third one will be positive. That way is equal to 3a square means 9a square plus what is square of minus 7b? 49b square. What is square of minus c? Positive c square plus into minus, minus 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42 ab. Now this part minus into minus plus 2 7 is 14. 14 into BC. 14 BC. Plus into minus. Minus 2 3 is 6. 6 CA. Fifth bit. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. What is x here? Minus 2x. What is y? 5y. What is z? Minus 3z. Use the identity. So again and again, okay, I will not write the identity. You should learn the identity and use it. Is equal to x square means what? Minus 2x whole square plus y square means 5y whole square plus z square means minus 3z square plus 2xy. 2 into x is minus 2x into y is 5y plus 2yz. 2 into 5y into minus 3z plus 2zx. 2 into z is what? Minus 3z into x is minus 2x. This I have written using the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. What is x here? Minus 2x. What is y? 5y. What is z? Minus 3z. Square of minus 2x, 4x square plus square of 5y is 25y square. Square of minus 3z is 9z square plus into minus 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20 xy plus into minus 2 5 the 10, 10 3 the 30 z minus into minus plus 2 3 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 12 z x. Again I get the answer 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30, let me see, okay, 2 5 the 10, 10 3 the 30, 30 zy plus 12 zx. 6 bit 1 upon 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. What is 1 by 4a? X. What is minus 1 by 2b? Y. What is 1? Z. Okay? I'll use the identity here. Solution. Right? 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by 4a whole square. Why? Because x is 1 by 4a plus y square means minus 1 by 2b whole square plus z square means 1 square plus 2xy. 2 into x is what? 1 upon 4a into y is minus 1 by 2b plus 2yz. 2 into what is y? Minus 1 by 2b into z is 1 plus 2zx. 2 into what is z? 1 into x is 1 by 4a. We will see now. Square. 1 by 4a square is what? 1 upon 16a square. Right? Square of negative is positive. So it becomes 1 upon 4b square plus 1. Right? These 2 and 2 gets cancel. What is left? Plus into minus. Minus 1 upon 4 AB. Right? This 2 and 2 gets cancel. What is left? Minus B. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. What is left? Plus 1 by 2A. So this is the answer of this expansion. 1 by 16 A square plus 1 by 4 B square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 AB minus B plus 1 by 2 A. Question number 6. Expand. First sum is 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube. Look at this sum. It looks like the identity a plus b whole cube. Right? I have written the identities. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here what is 2x? A. What is 1? B. Right? Use the identity. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube. Right? A cube, or I'll write here. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. This is 2x plus 1 whole cube. What is A? 2x whole cube plus B cube means 1 cube. Because this is A and this is B plus 3A square B means 3 into A square is what? 2x whole square into B is 1. Right? 3A square B means 3 into A is 2x. So 2x whole square into B is 1 plus 3AB square. 3 into what is A? 2x into what is B? 1 square. Right? What is cube of 2x? 8x cube. Because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Plus. Right? This is 1 plus. We will now multiply this. What is square of the bracket? 2x square is 4x square. 4x square into 3 is 12x square. 12x square 1 is 12x square. Plus. 1 square is 1. 1 into 3 into 2. 6x. Now we will arrange it. 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. You have to arrange in the descending order with the highest degree in the beginning, and then it should go down till the constant term. Second sum is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Right? I will write here 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to, again I will use the same identity, a minus b whole cube now, because the sign is here is minus sign. What is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Or first I will write here identity. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We can take this minus b cube in the end also is equal to. Now I will take 2a minus 3b whole cube. A cube means what? 2a whole cube, because this whole part is a and this whole part is b, minus 3a square b means 3 into a square is what? 2a whole square into b is what? 3b plus 3ab square. 3 into what is a? 2a into b square is 3b square minus b cube is, what is b cube? 3b whole cube is equal to, what is cube of 2a? 8a cube, right? Because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 minus, now we will multiply this part. What is square? First we will multiply the bracket. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 a square b, because we have to take the square of a also, right? 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Now we take this. First take square of bracket. 3 square is 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 3s are 54. A b square minus, what is cube of 3b? 27 b cube. Done. Third sum is 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Write identity first. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here this is the bracket, 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. This is a and this is b. Right? A cube means what? 3 by 2 x whole cube. Right? Plus 3a square b means 3 into a square. A square is what? 3 by 2 x whole square into b. b is 1 plus 3ab square means 3 into a. What is a? 3 by 2x into b is 1 plus b cube. b cube means 1 cube. Again I am repeating. A cube means 3 by 2x whole cube plus 3a square b means 3 into a square. What is a? 3 by 2x whole square into b. b is 1 plus 3ab square means 3 into a. a is what? 3 by 2x into b square means 1 square. 1 square is 1 only plus b cube. b is what? 1. 1 cube is equal to, we'll cube. Now 3 by 2 is in fraction, so we have to take the cube of both numerator and denominator. 3 cube means 27, right? 2 cube means 8 x cube, because we have to take the cube of x also. Cube of 3 is 27, cube of 2 is 8 plus, first we will solve the bracket. 3 square is 9, this 3 I will take into 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 x square, right? Plus we will take this 3 3s are 9, 9 into x into 1, right? 9 by 2 x. What is 1 cube? 1 is equal to, now last step, 27 upon 8, right? X cube plus 3 9s are 27 upon 4 x square plus 9 by 2 x plus 1. This is 8. I am writing again. This is 8. So answer is 27 upon 8 x cube plus 27 upon 4 x square plus 9 by 2 x plus 1. Fourth sum, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. I will write here, okay? X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Use the identity. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is a, right? And 2 by 3 is 2 by 3y is b. So it becomes a cube means x cube minus 3a square b means 3 into x square, because a is x, into b square is 2 by 3y plus 3ab square. 3 into, what is a? X into b square is 2 by 3y whole square minus b cube is 2 by 3y whole cube is equal to x cube minus this 3 and this 3 gets cancel. What is left? 2 x square y plus, first I will take the square of the bracket. 2 square is, I will write this 3 into x into 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 y square minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 y cube, right? This gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. What is left? X cube minus 2x square y plus, this is 4 by 3 x y square. 4 by 3 into x into y square is xy square minus 8 upon 27 y cube. So you have to be very careful, okay, doing calculations. Then only you will get the correct solution.